It's another beautiful day out here in Ventura. Beautiful weather. The sun just hits the water perfectly where you can see the color of the water. Woo! Love it, love it. But it's about 9:30 and I need some coffee, so let's go grab some coffee. Here we go. I used to work on this side too, by the way. Right by the beach. And I used to do coffee. And during my breaks, I would come out here and just have a nice cup of coffee and just enjoy the weather. And there goes the island packers that go out to the islands and go whale watching and stuff. Westfield here in the valley, and we're heading to do a VR thing, so it's gonna be awesome. And we only have a few minutes left. Hope we make it. We made it just in time. So we're gonna put this on, one for the leg, and one each for the hand. So this is left.
At your feet.
On my feet. Oh!
Look out!
I'm going right.
Dodge.
Going right.
Defend yourselves!
Luis, you okay?
Watch out! Dodge those coins!
Oh!
Whoa! Oh no! I did.
Hang on!
Whoa!
Oh no!
The undead!
PJ's on your left.
Oh.
That was fun. It was really fun. Yeah, take these off. Whew. Lovely.
Everyone put your Steam name in.
You were back try game? I know.
Backtrack gang.